What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to set up alarm clock on Redmi Note 13R. So first of all, open clock app. Now after opening the clock app, go to the alarms tab, and in the alarms tab click on this add icon to set up a new alarm. Now from here you can set the time for the alarm, and after setting the time you can set a ringtone for the alarm. So to set the ringtone, click on ringtone, then click on my account, and then click on ringtones. Now here it will show you the list of all the downloaded ringtones that you can use. So just simply tap on apply and then click on OK to confirm. Now you can also set the repeat, so you can set it to once, daily, Monday to Friday, or custom. So in custom you can select the days to repeat the alarm, and after selecting days click on OK. Now you can also turn on or turn off vibrate when alarm sounds, and you can enter the label to your alarm. So you can give a name, and after giving name or label click on set. Now after customizing all these settings, click on this tick icon, and then your new alarm will be set up. So that's how you can set up alarm clock on Redmi Note 13R. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.